Starting a public toilet is a very profitable business. Why? Because the same way people must eat is the same way people must use toilets. So this is a very profitable business idea you can start in 2025. Welcome to End with Juliet. On this channel, I share profitable business idea and give you tips on how to succeed in any business. So please do well to subscribe, hit the subscribe button now, right now. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this amazing channel. Now, how can you start your public toilet business? The first thing is to research location. Now, when researching your location, what are you to look at? Number one, a place that will be visible, where people can find you, where people can see you. So visibility is necessary when looking for a location. Now, another thing to look out for is that you have to look out for a high traffic spot. A high traffic spot where people gather more. Example, market, event center, bus park. So these are high traffic area where people gather. So the location of your public toilets should be in these areas. The next thing is to register your business. Now, why should you register your business? This is to make your business official. So it's important you register your business. Now, the next step is for you to build, after you've registered your business, it is for you to build and install your toilet. That is the next step, for you to build and install your toilet. So depending on the kind of toilet you want, you can build, or for some people, they can decide to do a mobile toilet, depending on your preference. Now, we want to look at a very important aspect of this business, which is the key consideration sources for this business. What are the things you need to do, you need to take note of for you to be successful in this business? Just like we said earlier on, just the way people must eat is the same way people must use toilets. There is nobody that will say, oh, that can wake up and say, I don't want to use toilet again. No, it's a necessity, it's a primary need, right? Now, for you to be successful in this business, after you've set up and you've built toilets, number one is that you have to have a good pricing strategy. Your price should be affordable. It should be affordable. So you can charge per use 100 naira. I think that is affordable. And you will still make your profits. You still make a lot of profits, even minus your expenses. So the next thing to also look at is the hygiene and maintenance. You have to ensure that your public toilet is clean, is neat, so that people want to come next time to use it. Because if it's not clean, there will be no need for them to want to come there next time, right? So hygiene is very important. Make sure it is always clean. Make sure the toilet is always clean, and then make sure there is water. There is water there. There is a waste bin where they can dispose whatever they want to dispose there. The public business, the public toilet business, is a very profitable business. And the thing with this business is that you're going to be having daily income. You are going to be having daily income. You can be making as much as 5,000 to 10,000 naira in a day. So for a start, even if you can't put water tank, you can be buying water at first, right? For your waste management, you give it to people that carry waste. So it is a very profitable business. So, and also, you know, it is not just even just about the money. You'll be making your money, number one. Then secondly is that you are helping the society to prevent open defecation and diseases, because it is discomforting, it is unappealing to, you're seeing by the roadside or at the back of a house, or you're seeing defecation everywhere. There is, it's not nice. So you're helping to reduce this land pollution. Then also, when starting, you can decide to start, or you can decide to start with just one staff, or you can decide to manage it by yourself at the beginning. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section, as I'm going to be answering your questions. See you next time. If you know you find this content valuable, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.